this is Jacinta from Blended Art by Jacinta. Tonight I am going to do a pouring painting. So all we use silicone oil. I want to share with you, if we don't have silicone oil temporarily, what can we do? What can we use instead? I'm decided to use few things tonight, and I want to share with you. If you like, you can use as well. So I searched and I found this is a hair serum, and I have seen in the ingredients there is dimethicone. So I can use this one. This is silicone. This hair serum contains silicone, so I can use that one. So I am adding one drop of this one. Okay. The silicone serum is done. Now I want to say something else. Some shampoos contain silicone as well. This is a shampoo, and I can see here also dimethicone. So I can use that one as well. So I'm dropping one drop of shampoo in another. Yes. This is just experiment. I'm experimenting. Let's see how it works. This is hair marks, and this is also hair marks. I searched. This contain also dimethicone. So let's see. I'm going to add these hair marks, a tiny drop, into the paint. I'm using any one. Both marks contain silicone, so I'm using that one. So I'm going to blend these three, and then I'm going to experiment how it works. So guys, I'm starting with silicone, without silicone oil, but with hair marks, hair serum, and hair shampoo. It's all about experiment, my opinion. Problem here, I will pour different color on top of this blackish line. I use the hair dryer just to make some cells. So I'm very happy. See how beautifully been created tiny cells. So without the torch, without the heating gun, just with the hair dryer. So I told it's all about the experiment. So without silicone oil, just with shampoo and hair serum. Yeah, so we can say we can use hair serum or shampoo. Stop moving the one. I'm adding few more drops here and there. Each color, a couple of drops, if I can make it more prominent. And the yellow. Not a problem. And all right, I can leave it here, but I'm not leaving. I'm going to give some motif, some shape if I can. I don't know what I can create exactly. I don't know, so I'm going to try. See what can I make. A tiny flower, probably, and something here. And I'm again adding a little bit yellow. Okay, and let's make something here first. Okay.
to do pouring painting with proper ingredients and proper technique. Stay connected with my channel to watch my next videos. Thank you.